Hey guitar enthusiasts, welcome back. Lauren Bateman here. In this lesson video, we're going to be going over Peaceful Easy Feeling by the Eagles. This is a great song, especially if you're learning how to play a B7 chord. So let's get into the lesson video. So this song focuses mostly on the chords E major and A major. Okay, we do have most of those in there. In the intro, I'm going to show you an E suspended fourth chord. Very, very simple to do, nothing too crazy. We also have a B7 chord and an F sharp minor chord. Now, if you're a beginner that hasn't gotten into doing bar chords yet, I do have a simplified version of that F sharp minor chord. I will pop that up here. It basically looks like an A chord, but it's played on the bottom 3 strings only. So if you're not familiar with bar chords just yet, try that easy version of the F sharp minor, and that should get you through this song. Now, if you need the chord chart for this song, don't forget, go over to my website, laurenbateman.com. You can go grab the chord chart, print it out, and come back here. I'll also put a link below in the description for you guys to go and find that chord chart. So the first thing we're going to talk about is the intro to this song, which is basically an E chord and an E sus4. Okay? Hear the difference? It's only one finger, but those suspended chords sound so great. I really, really love them. So if you know an E major chord, and hopefully you do if you're watching this video, you're going to put your pinky finger right below on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. So it's almost like an A chord, but we've moved everything up 1 string. And what you can do, because we're going between E major and this E suspended chord, just leave this first finger down. Watch, I never lift up my first finger. See that? I'm just lifting the pinky up and down to move between these chords. So let's talk about the strumming pattern we're going to put over these chords for this song. So the strumming pattern we're going to use for this song is a syncopated rhythm, which means we're going to be missing one of our downbeats in our strumming pattern. So the strumming pattern we're going to use is 1, 2, and 4, and. Down, down, up, down, up. Now, if you're a beginner and you're not familiar with syncopated rhythms, that's okay. What you can do is just put the down strum in on the 3. So this is what the syncopated rhythm is going to sound like. It's going to be 1, 2, and 4, and 1, 2, and 4, and down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if you can't do syncopated rhythms yet, you can do it this way. 1, 2, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and that'll work out just as well. So do it to your level. And if you're interested in learning more about syncopated rhythms, I do a lot of that stuff in my online guitar course. You can go check that out. I'll put a link to that in the description below as well. So now that we talked about the strumming pattern that we're going to use for the entire song, let's talk about the chord progression for the verse that we're going to use. So the verse has an 8 measure chord progression. So that means we're going to play 8 chords and then we're going to repeat them. And the chords are going to be E, A, E, A, E, A, and then B7 is going to be played twice, okay? And then we're going to repeat the whole thing. So if I played that from the beginning, I won't sing because the Eagles are kind of notorious for blocking songs and doing copyright stuff. So I'm just going to strum, but hopefully you'll get the feel for it. So I'm just going to do that entire progression through one time with the syncopated strumming pattern. So it'll sound like this. Then you would repeat that. We got E to A, then we've got E again and back to A, then E to A and B7 that's what we're gonna do for the chorus, or sorry, that's what we're gonna do for the verse, which is going to take us into the chorus next. So let's talk about the chord progression for that. Hey guys, if you've been enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way you can see when I release more videos just like this one. Let's get into the chorus. So the chorus is where we start introducing that F sharp minor chord, and that is a bar chord. But like I said, if you can't do that, you can just play the bottom 3 strings of your guitar as an A chord, and that will work. It won't sound as good or as full as the F sharp minor chord, but it will do if you need to use it. So the chorus, the B7 kind of hangs over the lyrics here, because I've gotta, the A doesn't come in until peaceful. So we have a double A, double E, so A, E, E, followed by 2 A's, F sharp minor, B7. And then we have an E chord, F sharp minor, A, B7, and then we kind of go back into our intro of the E and the E sus4 chords. So the chorus has nothing repetitive about it. So that's where it's good to have the chord chart. So let me go through that again. So it's going to be 2 A's, 2 E's, 2 A's, F sharp minor, B7, E major, F sharp minor, A, B7, followed by E and E sus4. Okay? So let's talk about this chorus here. I'm going to play through it. So we would basically be coming from the verse. So we would here it comes. 'Cause I got a peaceful. Now we're going to E. Now we got A, F sharp minor, to B7, and I'm all. Here comes the E, to E sus4, and we're going to do that twice. E, E sus4, which takes us right back into our verse of this song. Hey guys, if you're liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it helps show my video to more YouTube users just like you. So let's wrap up the song with the outro and the solo. So we're going to wrap up this tutorial with the last 2 parts of the song, which is basically our interlude / guitar solo. And this is really simple because for the guitar solo, you're going to play through a complete verse progression, and then you're going to play through a complete chorus. So basically, you're just playing a verse and a chorus with no singing over it, okay? That's how the guitar solo goes. So there's nothing new in terms of the chords, just you're playing verse and chorus with nothing, just a guitar solo being played over it. Our outro, on the other hand, is a little bit different in terms of the actual chord progression. So our outro is going to be E major, F sharp minor, A, and B7. And that keeps repeating because that's the 'cause I'm already standing. And then they do it again. 'Cause I'm already standing, yada yada. So it'll sound like this. And then they repeat it again. And again, 'cause I'm already, right? Ready standing on the ground. We end on a nice E chord. So they just keep repeating that through the outro until they get to the end of the song. And then, like I said, nice E major chord on the end. Hope you guys enjoyed this video lesson by the Eagles. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment below. Maybe there's a question you have that I can answer, or if you have any song requests, put them below and maybe I will do one of your songs. YouTube's gonna pop a couple more videos up over here on the side. Go check those out. Would love to see you guys in another video lesson.